Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make FL Studio look better by customizing its theme settings. It's a great way to personalize your FL Studio experience and make it more visually appealing. First, open up FL Studio and go to Options. Then click on Theme Settings. Here you'll find some presets that are pretty cool, but if you want to create awesome themes, you need to completely understand what these buttons do. Let's break it down. Hue stands for color or tint. With this knob, you can control the overall color of your theme. Saturation determines how much color comes through. The more saturated something is, the more color you'll see. Turn it all the way down for black and white. Brightness adjusts the brightness of the tints. Use this to create a dark or light theme. Contrast determines the difference between darks and lights. Adjust to add depth to your theme. Text controls the visibility of text. Now, let's get creative with some awesome themes. Selection color adjusts the color of selected items in the channel rack or playlist. Highlight, this adjusts the colors for highlighted items. Mute button, this changes the color of mute knobs. Option, this option customizes the colors of checkboxes. Step color, this changes the colors of steps in the channel rack. My personal favorite is setting the meter to turn red when audio is clipping. You can do this by adjusting the meter color settings. Enabling light mode makes it easier to read stuff on your screen, especially in darker environments. If you want to create a secondary version of your theme, simply click B. Don't forget to save it as a preset, and if you want, you can even share it online for others to download. And that's it. With these tips, you can create beautiful and unique themes for FL Studio that reflect your style and taste. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more FL Studio tutorials.